You're looking for a chair for in the shower? We're going to show you how simple and easy this is to build and adjust and assemble. Townhall shower chair, 27 to 33 plus inches, 330 pounds, for elderly, seniors, and more in-bath shower chairs. It comes in white, aluminum, plastic, got rubber feet, and more, showing you nicely how they are packaged. And we're going to install the chair of what it looks like. Going over the contents, we have an instruction guide on how to assemble and a parts list. One seat panel with cutout, drain holes, textured finish in white in the plastic and supported for 330 pounds. L brackets, additional L brackets, legs, armrest, back piece, hardware. Assembling with the set screw, Allen key hole, and the curvature washer. The backrest, back pulse, washer, and bolt. Slide through, place on, and start to secure down. Grab the next bar, making sure it's facing the correct way, grabbing a washer, a bolt, and lock down the other side, and repeat for the two bottom post holes. With the T-square Allen key, you're going to lock down. Secure down each of the bolts tightly and make sure the washer seats in flush. Place the back post to the side, grabbing the base marked 1, 2, 2, 1 with the back posts. You're going to take post number 1 to post number 1 with a set screw and washer and loosely place in. 2 bolts and 2 washers go in. With the tool, start to lock down. With one on the opposite side to the 1 area, repeat. With the next set of bars, 2 and 2 on the opposite side diagonal, repeat with the bolt and washer. Set in. Lock all down with the T Allen key. An optional drill can be used. Do not over tighten. With each of the steps up to 6 holes you can place on. We're going to work on the one in the back to show you that we're going to the first hole, number 6 of each. They simply slide in. If you want to adjust them, simply press in, rotate, and slide down all the way to the bottom, like so. Do not slide one at a time. Rotate to the height you need, lock in, and repeat for the other 2. Lift up, rotate around, and rotate around. We have arms to put in. The arms go to the outside, like so. When placing the bar in, make sure you put in to the wide angle, outside, into the hole of both, and simply press in gently, and they will slide down easy. On the back, with the back post rest, you're going to slide in, stretch a little, push in the gold pins of each side, listen for the click. At the lowest stand, the seat sits 15 inches, with the back post measuring 28 inches to the height. To the arm, 22.5, to the widest stands of 23.25 inches. The depth of the chair measures 15 inches. We have an attachment that simply snaps on to the side and sits on either side. We have the chair at the lowest height that goes into the shower. Kids of all ages, adults, seniors, able to sit in and hold up to 330 pounds. Water resistant, easy to clean, easy to store, with comfortable handles. To raise the chair up to the maximum height is pressing in the buttons, rotating to the number 6 hole. As the chair is set up, you're able to stand on the chair and hold your weight. We have the chair to sit down and take care of business. So this chair may be something that you are looking for in a chair. Depending on the base of the floor in your shower, the chair will sit nice and sturdy and non-slip legs. They are black, nice wide legs, a satin finish with a white base and backboard. So if you're looking for an in-shower chair, this chair may be something you are looking for in a lightweight chair with the cane assist that could be put on any of the areas in the back, the front, the side over here. Enjoy your product. Thank you for viewing.